सारियानो आज हम हॉस्टल वार्डन एकलव्य मॉडल रेजिडेंशियल स्कूल के हॉस्टल वार्डन एग्ज़ाम के लिए हम आईसीटी का टॉपिक है कंप्यूटर का चैप्टर नंबर 3 वो हम पढ़ेंगे। और आपको अगर वीडियो पसंद आवे तो लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें अपने भाई को। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैप्टर 3 कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर। Computer hardware refers to the physical components of a computer that can be seen and touched by the user. By the use of these hardware devices, it made very easy for it made very easy for the computer for processing its data, store and retrieve. Hardware is one of the basic and necessary parts of a computer system. Input devices. An input device can be defined as an electromechanical device that allows the user to feed data into the computer for analysis and storage and to give commands to the computer. The data is entered into the main memory through the input devices. They accept instructions from the user and convert the accepted instructions into the machine language. Some of the commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, trackball, joystick, light pen, touch screen, barcode reader, OMR, OCR, MICR, smart card reader, biometric sensor, scanner, mic, webcam, PC card, etc., which are described below. Keyboard. This is the keyboard. Function key, alphanumeric key, cursor control keys, numeric keypad. Keyboard. It is one of the most common input devices. The user can type text and command using this device. The layout of the keyboard was borrowed from the regular typewriter with some additional keys. Keyboard is used to enter data or information in a computer system, which may be in numeric form or alphabetic form. When key is pressed, keyboard interacts with a keyboard controller and keyboard buffer. Keyboard controller stores the code of a pressed key in keyboard buffer. There are different types of keyboard such as QWERTY, Dvorak and AZERTY. Types of keys on keyboard. The keys are categorized under the following groups. First, alphanumeric keys include the alphabet keys A, B, C, D, Z and number keys 0, 1, 2, 3, 9. Second, numeric keys are located at the right hand side of the keyboard. They consist of digit and mathematical operations. Third, function keys are the programmable keys. For example, the programs can assign some specific actions. They are numbered from F1 to F12. Fourth, cursor control keys include four directional left, right, up, down arrow keys that are arranged in a inverted T formation between the alphanumeric and numeric keypad. Above the arrow keys, there are four more keys to control the cursor. These are as follows. First, home. It is used to return the cursor to beginning of the line or the beginning of a document. Second, end. It moves the cursor to the end of line. Third, page up. When it is pressed, the page view will be moved up one page and cursor goes to the back page. Fourth, page down. When it is pressed, the page view will be moved down one page and cursor goes to the next page. Fifth, other keys. A keyboard contains some other keys such as follows. First, control key. It performs a special operation with the combination of other keys. Second, enter keys. It is used to finish an entry and begin the new entry in a document. Enter key is an alternative to press OK button. Second, third, shift keys. Next, shift keys. Some keys on the keyboard, like numeric keys, have a symbol printed on their upper portion. Shift key is used to print these symbols. This key is also called combination key. Next, escape key, ESC. It allows a user to cancel or abort operations which are executing at present. It opens start menu with the combination of a control key. Next, backspace key. It is used to erase anything typed. Next, delete key. It is used to erase information from the computer's memory and characters on the screen. Next, caps lock key. It is used to type the alphabet in capital letters. It enables or disables all the letters from being typed in capital letters. When this key is enabled, the alphabet would be in capital letters, and when it is disabled, the alphabet would be in small letters. Next, num lock key. It is used to enable and disable the numeric keypad. Next, Windows key. It is used to open the start menu. Next, space bar key. It provides a space between two words. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Next, tab key. It is used to move the cursor over to the right to a preset point. In Word document, tab is used to indent a paragraph. Tidbits. Qwerty. Keyboard contains a total 104 keys. Caps lock and number lock keys are called as toggle keys because when pressed they toggle or change their status from one state to another. Shift, Control and Alt keys are also known as modifier keys. Pointing devices. A pointing device is used to communicate with the computer by pointing to the locations on the monitor. Movements of the pointing device are echoed on the screen by movements of the pointer. Some commonly used pointing devices are mouse, trackball, joystick, light pen, touch screen, etc., which are described below. Next, mouse. It is small handled because mouse. It is a small handheld device having two buttons on its upper side and also has a small wheel between these buttons. It is a pointing device which provides a means to input data and commands in graphic form by selecting through moving an arrow called a pointer on monitor. The mouse may be used to position the cursor on a screen, move an object by dragging or select an object by clicking. Mouse was invented by Douglas Eaglebart at Stanford Research Center in 1963. There are three types of mouse as follows. First, wireless mouse. Second, mechanical mouse. Third, optical mouse. There are four actions of mouse as follows. First, click or left click. It selects an interim first click or left click. It selects an item on the screen. Second, double click. It is used to open a document or program. Third, right click. It displays a list of commands on the screen. Right clicking is used to access the properties of selected objects. Fourth, drag and drop. It is used to move an item on the screen. And trackball. This is trackball. It is another pointing device which is an alternative to a mouse. Trackball is also used to control cursor movements and actions on a computer screen. It is generally built in a laptop. Since There is no space for the mouse to move on the laptop. Trackball is used on CAD and CAM workstations and sometimes seen on computerized special purpose workstations such as radar consoles in an air traffic control room and sonar equipment on a ship or submarine. Joystick. Next, joystick. It is a device that moves in all directions and controls the movement of the cursor. Joysticks are used in flight simulators, CAD and CAM system, etc. A joystick is similar to a mouse except that the movement of a cursor on a screen stops working as soon as user stop moving the mouse, but with a joystick the pointer continues moving in the previously pointing direction. Joystick allows movements in all directions 360 degree. Light pen. It is a handheld electro-optical pointing device which is used for making drawings, graphics, and for menu selection. The pen contains a photo cell in a small tube. It senses the light from the screen when it becomes closer and generates a pulse. It is used to especially in personal digital assistants PDA. It is very useful in identifying a specific location on the screen. However, it does not provide any information when it held over a blank part of the screen. Touch screen. It is an input device that accepts input when the user places a fingertip on the computer screen. Touch screens have an infrared beam that crisscross the surface of a screen. The ability to interact directly with a display typically indicates the presence of a touch screen. Touch screen is generally used in applications like ATM, hospitals, airline reservation, supermarkets, etc. Barcode reader. It is an input device used for reading printed barcodes, universal product code available on a product to be sold. A barcode reader emits a beam of light which reflects off the barcode image. A light sensitive detector in the barcode reader identifies the barcode image by recognizing special bars at both the ends of the image. A perfect example of a barcode reader used in a supermarket where barcode scanner reads the price of a product. A barcode is a machine readable representation of information in the form of strips of dark and light ink. This is barcode. Next, optical mark reader, OMR. OMR, optical mark reader, is also known as optical mark recognition. It is the process of detecting the presence of intended marked responses. OMR, optical mark reader, is mainly used to detect marks on a paper. It uses a beam of light that is reflected on the paper with marks to capture presence and absence of data marks. Output stacker or input holder. This is optical mark reader. The OMR, optical mark reader, interprets the pattern of a mark into a data record and sends this to the computer for storage, analysis, and reporting. Optical mark reader is widely used to read the answer of objective type tests, voting applications, and other evaluation studies. Next, optical character recognition, OCR. OCR is a technique for the scanning of a printed page, translating it and then using the optical character recognition software to recognize the image as ASCII text that is editable. It translates the array of dots into text that the computer can interpret as words and letters. Optical character recognition is widely used technique for acquiring the textual data from image. It is used in many applications such as telephone bills, electricity bills, insurance premium, etc. Optical character recognition technology is being developed for greater accurate recognition and is also known as intelligent character recognition (ICR). Next, magnetic ink character recognition (MICR). MICR, magnetic ink character recognition, reads the characters by examining their shapes in a matrix form, and the information is then passed on to the computer. The characters are printed using a special ink which contains iron particles that can be magnetized. Format of a check. It is generally used in banks to process the checks for recognizing the magnetic encoding numbers printed at the bottom of a check. Next, smart reader card. It is a device which is used to access the microprocessor of a smart card. These are two kinds of smart cards: memory cards and microprocessor cards. Memory cards are the cards which contain only non-volatile memory storage components and some specific security logic. Microprocessor cards contain volatile memory and microprocessor components. The card is made up of plastic, generally PVC. Smart cards are used in large companies and organizations for stronger security authentication. Next, biometric sensor. This is biometric sensor. It is a device which recognizes physical or behavioral traits of the individual. Biometric sensors are used for marking attendance of employees, students in organizations, institutions. As biometric sensors are working with accuracy, so these are widely used in a security purpose also. Biometric sensor. Next, scanner. It is used to convert the data and image on paper into the digital form. Scanner is an optical input device and uses light as an input source to convert an image into an electronic form that can be stored on the computer. Scanners can be used for storing the documents in their original form that can be modified and manipulated later on. Scanner stores images in both grayscale and color mode. The most common types of scanners are as follows. First, handheld scanners. They are very small in size, which can be held in a hand. These are less expensive and less wide. Hence, in order to scan a single page image, multiple passages are required. But their handiness is a major advantage of a handheld scanner. Second, flatbed scanners. They are large and more expensive scanners that create high quality images. Flatbed scanners have a flat surface on which the printed image to be scanned is placed. These scanners can scan a page in a single pass. Next, drum scanners. They are medium sized scanners with a rolling drum. The seat is fed through the scanners so that the drum rolls over the entire seat to be scanned, just as the seats are fed in a fax machine. Next, microphone mic. We can send input to the computer through a special manual input device called a microphone or mic. A mic converts the received sound into computer's format, which is called digitized sound or digital audio. To convert a voice into digital form, you need an additional hardware known as a sound card. Sound is used most often in multimedia, where we can make our presentations more attractive using recorded narration, music, or sound effects. A microphone can be attached to a computer to record sound. Nowadays, microphones are also being used with recognition software. This means that we do not have to type, rather just have to speak, and the spoken words appear in our document. Web camera. It is a video capturing device. Webcam is a digital camera attached to computers and can be used for video conferencing, online chatting, etc. A camera connected to a computer allows anyone those are connected to the internet to view either a still picture or motion video of a user or other object. This is webcam. Webcam with a computer. Webcam. Nowadays, webcams are either embedded into the display with laptop computers or connected via USB or fire wire port or Wi-Fi to the computer. Next, PC card. PC card. A PC card is a credit card size memory or input or output device that fits into a personal computer, usually a notebook or a laptop computer. Probably the most common use of a PC card is the telecommunication modem for notebook computers. Output devices. An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment used to communicate the result of data processing carried out by an information processing to the outside world. Some of the commonly used output devices are monitor, printer, plotter, speaker, headphones, projector, etc., which are described below. Next, monitor. It is also known as Visual Display Unit (VDU). The monitor is provided along with the computer to view the display result. A monitor is of two kinds: a monochrome display monitor and a color display monitor. A monochrome display monitor uses only one color to display text and color. A display monitor can display 256 colors at a time. An image on the monitor is created by a configuration of dots, also known as pixels. Pixels. The refresh rate of a monitor is measured in hertz. The clarity of image depends on three factors, which are as follows. First, resolution of a screen. Resolution refers to the number of pixel in horizontal and vertical directions. The resolution of a monitor is higher when the pixels are closer together. Second, dot pitch. It refers to the diagonal distance between two colored pixels. The smaller the dot pitch, the better the resolution. Third, refresh rate. It is the number of refresh rate. It is the number by which per second. The higher the refresh rate, the more solid the image looks on the screen. The popular types of a monitor are as follows. First, cathode ray tube (CRT). It is a typical rectangular shaped monitor that you see on a desktop computer. The cathode ray tube works in a same way as a television. Cathode ray tube has a vacuum tube. Cathode ray tube works by moving an electron beam back and forth across the back of the screen. A screen covered with a fine layer of phosphorescent elements called phosphorus. Next, second, liquid crystal display (LCD). Liquid crystal display. These screens are used in laptops and notebooks sized PCs. A special type of liquid is sandwiched between two plates. It is a thin, flat and lightweight screen made up of any number of color or monochrome pixel arranged in front of a light source. Next, liquid light emitted diode LED. It LED liquid या light emitted diode. It is an electronic device that emits light when electrical current is passed through it. LED is usually produce red light, but today's LEDs can produce RGB red, green and blue light and white light as well. Next, 3D monitor. It is a television that conveys depth perception to the viewer. 3D describes an image that provides the perception of length. When 3D images are made interactive, then user feels involved with the scene, and this experience is called virtual reality. Next, thin film transistor TFT, thin film transistor and active matrix LCD. AMLCD is a liquid crystal display LCD with active matrix displays. Each pixel is controlled by one to four transistors that can make the screen faster, brighter, more colorful than passive matrix, and capable of being viewed at different angles. Because of this improved technology, active matrix screens are often more expensive. Next, printers. A printer prints information and data from the computer onto a paper. It can print documents in color as well as in black and white. The quality of a printer is determined by the clarity of a print. The speed of a printer is measured in characters per second (CPS) and characters per second, lines per minute (LPM) and pages per minute (ppm). Printer resolution is a numerical measure of print quality that is measured in dots per inch (dpi). Printers are divided into two basic categories: impact printers. This type of printer strikes paper and ribbon together to form a character like a typewriter. Impact printer can print a character or an entire line at a time. They use pins or hammers that pressed an inked ribbon against the paper. They are less expensive, fast and can make multiple copies with multi-part paper. There are four types of impact printer. First, dot matrix printer. It forms characters using rows of pins which impact the ribbon on top of the paper, therefore also called pin printers. Dot matrix printers print one character at a time. It prints characters and images as a pattern of dots. Many dot matrix printers are bidirectional, that is, they can print the characters from either direction, for example, left or right. Second, daisy wheel printer. In a daisy wheel printers, characters are fully formed on the petals like a typewriter keys. These printers produce high resolution output and are more reliable than dot matrix. Third, line printer. It is a high-speed printer capable of printing an entire line of text at once instead of one or more characters at a time. These are impact-shaped character printers which print one line at a time. Print quality of a line printer is not high. Fourth, drum printer. An old line printer technology that uses formed character images around a cylindrical drum as its printing mechanism. When the desired character for the selected position rotated around the hammer line, the hammer hit the paper from behind the pushed it into the ribbon and onto the character. Non-impact printer. Let's talk about a non-impact printer. This type of printer uses electrostatic chemicals and inkjet technologies that do not hit impact a ribbon to print. It can produce high quality graphics and open a wide variety of fonts than impact printers. There are following types of non-impact printer. First, inkjet printer. It is a printer that places extremely small droplets of ink onto paper to create an image. It sprays ink into paper to form characters and prints high quality text and graphics. Uh, Second, thermal printer. It uses heat on chemically treated paper to form characters. Fax machines that use rolls of paper are also of a thermal printers type. It is relatively slow, expensive, and requires a special paper. Next, three, laser printer. It provides the highest quality text and images for personal computer, and they can print in different fonts, that is type styles and sizes. Laser printer uses laser beam onto photo sensitive surface for printing. It prints high quality graphics and more expensive than impact printers. And next, fourth, electromagnetic printer. Mm, electro Electrographic or electrophotographic printers are very fast printers, and they fall under the category of page printers. The electrographic technology have developed from the paper copier technology. Next, five, electro electrostatic printer. These printers are generally used for large format printing. They are favored by large printing shops because of their ability to print fast and making low cost. Next topic, plotter. It is uh, a plotter. It is an output device that uses a pen, pencil, marker, or other writing tools for making vector graphics. A plotter is a special kind of output channel like a printer that produces images on paper. And they are mainly used to produce large drawings or images such as construction plans, blueprints for mechanical objects, AutoCAD, CAD or CAM, etc. Plotters usually came in two designs as follows. First, flatbed plotter. These plotters are of a small size to be kept on a table with restriction of a paper size. Second, drum plotter. These plotters are of a big size using rolls of paper of unlimited length. Next, speaker. It is an output device that receives sound in the form of electric current. It needs a sound card connected to a CPU that generates a sound via a card. These are used for listening music, for being audible in seminars, during presentations, etc. Computer speakers are the speakers which are attached internally or externally to a computer system. Next, headphones. These these are a pair of small sound speakers, or less commonly a single speaker, held close to a user's ears and connected to a signal source such as an audio amplifier, audio CD player, or a portable media player. They are also known as stereo phones, headsets, or cans. Next, projector. It is an output device which is used to project information from a computer onto a large screen so it can be viewed by a large group of people simultaneously. Projectors are widely used for classroom training or conference holds conference halls with a large audience. It provides a temporary output display. There are mainly two types of projectors: LCD projector and DLP projector. Both in next both input output devices. Few devices that give input and also so or get the output through same device. These are as follows: first, modems; second, network cards; third, touch screen; fourth, headsets. Headset consist of speakers and microphones in which speakers acts as output device and microphones acts as input device. Fifth, facsimile यानी fax. It has scanner to scan the document and also have printer to print the document. Sixth, audio cards, sound cards. In next, input and output, I and O port. The peripheral devices can be connected to computer in several ways. Input or output ports are the external interfaces that are used to connect input and output devices like a printer, monitor and joystick to a computer. The input or output devices are connected to the computer via the serial and parallel ports. Universal serial bus, USB, firewire ports, etc. First, parallel port. It is an interface for connecting 8 or more data wires. The data flows through the 8 wires simultaneously. They can transmit 8 bits of data in parallel. As a result, parallel ports provide high speed data transmission. Parallel port is used to connect a printer to the computer. Second, serial port. It transmits 1 bit of data through a single wire. Since data is transmitted serially as a single bit, it provides slow speed data transmission. It is used to connect external modems, plotters, barcode reader, etc. Third, universal serial bus, USB. It is a common and a proper external port available with computers. Normally, 2 to 4 USB ports are provided on a PC. USB also has the plug and play feature, which allows devices ready to be run. Fourth, firepower. It is used to connect audio and video multimedia devices like video camera. Firewire is an expensive technology used for large data movement. Hard disk drive and new DVD drives connect through firewire. It has data transfer rate of up to 400 MB per second. Titbits. MP3 is an audio coding format for digital audio which uses a form of lossy data compression. The input or output devices that are attached externally to the computer machine are also called peripheral devices. These are hardware. Speech recognition software can interpret voice data into words that can be understood by the computer. A dumb terminal is simply an output device that accepts data from the CPU. Question bank. Question first. Any component of the computer you can see and touch is first software, second peripheral, third storage, fourth CPU, fifth hardware. The correct answer is fifth hardware. Next, which of the following is not a hardware? First, processor chip, second, printer, third mouse, fourth Java. The correct answer is fourth Java. Next, third A or N dash device is any hardware component that allows you to enter data and instructions into a computer. First, interaction, and second, input, third, communication, fourth, output, fifth, terminal. The correct answer is second, input. Next, computer gets dash with the help of mouse, joystick or keyboard. First, insert, second, delete, third, input, fourth, output. The correct answer is third, input. Next question. Computer keyboard is an example of first, memory device, second, input device, third, output device, fourth, both second and third. The correct answer is second, input device. Next, the most common method of entering text and numerical data into a computer system is through the use of a first, plotter, second, scanner, third, printer, fourth, keyboard, fifth, none of these. The correct answer is fourth, keyboard. Next, which key is also known as toggle keys? First, caps lock, third, number lock, third, first and second both, fourth, none of these. The correct answer is third, number lock. Next, you can use the tab key to first, move a cursor across the screen, second, indent a paragraph, third, move the cursor down the screen, fourth, both first and second, fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is second, yani indent a paragraph. Next question. To move to the beginning of a line of a text, press the dash key. First, page up, second, shift, third, home, fourth, enter. The correct answer is third, home. Next, the dash key will launch the start button. First, ESC, yani escape, second, shift, third, window, fourth, shortcut. The correct answer is third, shift. Next, space bar is used for first, giving space, second, deleting space, third, moving next line, fourth, all of these. The correct answer is first, giving space. Next, in a keyboard, left, right, up, down set of keys facilitates which among the following functions? First, deleting data or modification, second, page scrolling to view a document, third, launching data menu, fourth, initiating search and help, fifth, controlling RAM or process execution. The correct answer is second, yani page scrolling to view a document. Next, shift. Next question, shift, control, alt are examples of which among the following category? First, modifier keys, second, primary keys, third, function keys, fourth, alternate keys, fifth, candidate keys. The correct answer is first, modifier keys. Next, pointing device includes the following except first, mouse, second, joystick, third, trackball, fourth, keyboard. The correct answer is fourth, keyboard. Next, what type of device is a computer mouse? First, storage, second, output, third, input, fourth, input or output, fifth, software. The correct answer is third, input. Next, which of the next question, which of these is a pointing and draw device? First, mouse, second, scanner, third, printer, fourth, CD-ROM, fifth, keyboard. The correct answer is first, mouse. Next, first computer mouse was built by first, Douglas Engelbart, second William Inglis, third O'Neill Cougar, fourth Robert Jaworski. The correct answer is first Douglas Engelbart. Next question. Keys. Next, keyboard and dash are the example of input device. First, monitor. Second, modem. Third, printer. Fourth, mouse. Fifth, CPU. The correct answer is fourth, mouse. Next, which of the best position for operating the mouse? First, tail away from the user. Second, tail towards the user. Third, tail facing the right. Fourth, tail facing the left. Fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is second, tail towards the user. Next question. Which button is called as middle button, used as third mouse button by pressing on it? First, right button. Second, scroll wheel. Third, touch bar. Fourth, light bar. Fifth, left button. The correct answer is second, scroll wheel. Next, trackball is an example of an example of A or N. First, programming device. Second, pointing device. Third, output device. Fourth, software device. Fifth, printing device. The correct answer is second, pointing device. Next question. A joystick is primarily used to for first, control sound on the screen. Second, computer gaming. Third, enter text. Fourth, draw pictures. Fifth, print text. The correct answer is second, computer gaming. Next, a joystick allows movements in which angle? First, 30 degree. Second, 60 degree. Third, 90 degree. Fourth, 360 degree. The correct answer is fourth, 360 degree. Next, a device which is used for making drawings, graphics, and for menu selection. First, keyboard. Second, mouse. Third, touch screen. Fourth, light pen. The correct answer is fourth, light pen. Next, dash is generally used in applications like ATM, hospitals, airline reservation, etc. First, light pen. Second, touch screen. Third, joystick. Fourth, trackball. The correct answer is second, touch screen. Next, the pattern of printed lines on most products are called? First, prices. Second, OCR. Third, scanners. Fourth, barcodes. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is fourth, barcodes. Next question. A barcode reader is an example of first, processing device. Second, storage device. Third, input device. Fourth, output device. The correct answer is third, input device. Next, an optical output device that interprets pencil marks on paper media is first, OMR. Second, punch card reader. Third, optical scanners. Fourth, magnetic tapes. Fifth, stylus. The correct answer is first, OMR. Next, the OCR is used for the preparation of first, electricity bills. Second, insurance premium. Third, telephone bills. Fourth, all of these. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is fourth, all of these. Next, the OCR recognizes the dash of the characters with the help of light source. First, size. Second, shape. Third, color. Fourth, used ink. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is second, shape. Next question. What does MICR stands for? First, magnetic ink character register. Second, magnetic ink code reader. Third, magnetic ink code register. Fourth, magnetic ink character recognition. Fifth, magnetic ink cassette reader. The correct answer is fourth, magnetic ink character recognition. Next question. Large amount of checks are processed by using first, OCR. Second, MICR. Third, OMR. Fourth, all of these. The correct answer is second, MICR. Next, which of the following is are the kind of smart card? First, memory card. Second, microprocessor card. Third, first and second both. Fourth, none of these. The correct answer is third, first and second both. Memory card and microprocessor card. Next question, which of the following device which recognizes physical traits of an individual? First, a smart card. Second, biometric sensor. Third, barcode. Fourth, MICR. The correct answer is second, biometric sensor. Next, a device that makes copies and reproduces text and images is called first CPU, second memory, third printer, fourth scanner. The correct answer is fourth, scanner. Next question. A dash is used to read handwritten or printed text to make a digital image that is stored in memory. First, printer. Second, laser beam. Third, scanner. Fourth, touchpad. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is third, scanner. Next, the input device to be used to get a printed diagram into a computer is the first, printer, second, mouse, third, keyboard, fourth, touchpad, fifth, scanner. The correct answer is fifth, scanner. Next, a scanner scans first pictures, second text, third both pictures and text, fourth neither picture nor text, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is third, both picture and text. Next question. It is a video capturing device. First, webcam. Second, microphone. Third, monitor. Fourth, mouse. And fifth, scanner. The correct answer is first, webcam. Next, what type of device is a digital camera? First, input. Second, output. Third, software. Fourth, storage. The correct answer is first, input. Next, which of the following could be digital input devices for computers? First, digital camcorder. Second, microphone. Third, scanner. Fourth, all of these. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is fourth, all of these. Next, which of the following groups consist of only input devices? First, mouse, keyboard, monitor. Second, mouse, keyboard, printer. Third, mouse, keyboard, plotter. Fourth, mouse, keyboard, scanner. And fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is fourth, mouse, keyboard, scanner. Next, results are obtained from computer through its first input unit, second ELU unit, third CU unit, fourth output unit. The correct answer is output unit. Next question. After a picture has been taken with a digital camera and processed appropriately, the actual print of the picture is considered as first data, second output, third input, fourth the process. The correct answer is second output. Next, using output device, one can dash first view or print data, second modify data, third store data, fourth replicate data, fourth enter data. The correct answer is first view or print data. Next, which among the following is the smallest unit in an image in a computer screen? First unit, second pixel, third array, fourth resolution, fifth clip. The correct answer is second pixel. Next, what types of a device is a computer monitor? First, software, second processing, third storage, fourth input, fifth output. The correct answer is fifth output. Next question. Soft copy refers to first printed output, second digitizing, third music sounds, fourth screen output, fifth none of these. The correct answer is fourth screen output. Next, the higher the resolution of a monitor, the first larger the pixels, second less clear the screen is, third further apart the pixel, fourth closer together the pixels, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is fourth closer together the pixels. Next, the most familiar output device for the microcomputers is first screen, second TV, third printer, fourth monitor. The correct answer is fourth monitor. Next, the CRT is dash in shape, first circular, second rectangular, third eclipse, fourth conical, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is second rectangular. Next, CRT has a first hollow tube, second vacuum tube, third long tube, fourth round tube, fifth none of these. The correct answer is two vacuum tube. Next question, the rate at which scanning is repeated in a CRT is called first refresh rate, second resolution, third pitch, fourth bandwidth, fifth none of these. The correct answer is first refresh rate. Next, dash provides hard copy output on paper, first mouse, second keyboard, third LCD monitor, fourth scanner, fifth printer. The correct answer is fifth yani printer. Next question, printer is an example of first output device, second input device, third processing device, fourth storage device, fifth none of these. The correct answer is first output device. Next, what are the units used to count the speed of a printer? First CPM, second DPI, third PPM, fourth BIT, fifth none of these. The correct answer is second DPI. Dash. Next, dash printer cannot print more than one characters at a time. First line printer, second display wheel printer, third laser printer, fourth dot matrix. The correct answer is fourth dot matrix. Next, speed of a line printer is limited by the speed of first paper movements, second cartridge use, third length of paper, fourth all of these, fifth none of these. The correct answer is first paper movements. Next, an example of a peripheral equipment is first printer, second CPU, third spreadsheet, fourth microcomputer. The correct answer is first printer. Next, dot matrix is a type of first tape, second printer, third disk, fourth bus, fifth none of these. The correct answer is second printer. Next question, dot matrix printer is first unidirectional, second bidirectional, third sequential, fourth random. The correct answer is second bidirectional. Next, the impact printers are first dot matrix, second drum, third inkjet, fourth both first and second. The correct answer is fourth both first and second. Next question, drum printer is an example of first input, second output, third processing, fourth storage. The correct answer is second output. Next, the example of a non-impact printer are first laser dot matrix, second inkjet laser, third inkjet dot matrix, fourth dot matrix, fifth none of these. The correct answer is second inkjet laser. Next, line printer speed is specified in terms of first LPM lines per minute, second CPM characters per minute, third DPM, fourth any of the above, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is second CPM characters per minute. Next, in laser printers, printing is achieved by deflecting laser beam onto dash surface of a drum. First magnetized, second photosensitive, third magnetic, fourth either first or second, fifth none of these. The correct answer is second photosensitive. Next question, which of the following printers are you sure you will not to use if your objective is to print or multi-carbon forms? First, daisy wheels. Second, dot matrix. Third, laser. Fourth, thermal. The correct answer is third, laser. Next question, laser printers belong to: first, line printer. Second, page printer. Third, band printer. Fourth, dot matrix printer. The correct answer is second, page printer. Next question, which of the following produces high quality output? First, impact printer. Second, non-impact printer. Third, plotter. Fourth, both first and second. The correct answer is second, non-impact printer. Next, resolution of a laser printer is specified in terms of: first, DPI. Second, LPM. Third, CPM. Fourth, PPM. The correct answer is first, DPI. Next question, a hard copy would prepared on a: first, line printer. Second, dot matrix printer. Third, plotter. Fourth, typewriter. Thermal. Fifth, all of these. The correct answer is fifth, all of these. Next question, all of the following are example of input devices except: first, scanner. Second, mouse. Third, keyboard. Fourth, printer. The correct answer is printer. Fourth, printer. Next question, it is used to produce large drawings or images such as construction plans, blueprints for mechanical objects, etc. First, printer. Second, plotter. Third, MICR. Fourth, OCR. The correct answer is second, plotter. Next question, what type of devices are computer, speakers or headphones? First, input. Second, input output. Third, software. Fourth, storage. Fifth, output. The correct answer is fifth, output. Next, which of the following devices is used to give input as well as to display output? First, touch screen. Second, headsets. Third, facsimile. Fourth, audio cards. Fifth, all of these. The correct answer is fifth, yani all of these. Next, the transfer of data from a CPU to peripheral devices of computer is achieved through: first, interfaces. Second, buffer memory. Third, modems. Fourth, input output ports. The correct answer is fourth, input output ports. Next, a parallel port is most often used by first, printer. Second, monitor. Third, mouse. Fourth, external storage device. The correct answer is first, external storage device. Next, dash ports provide slow speed data transmission. First, serial. Second, parallel. Third, firewire. Fourth, USB. The correct answer is first, serial. Next question, which is not an item of hardware? First, an MP3 file. Second, a keyboard. Third, a mouse. Fourth, printer. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is first, an MP3 file. Next, a USB. Next question, USB in data cables stands for: first, Unicode Smart Bus. Second, Universal Structural Bus. Third, Unicode Serial Bus. Fourth, Universal Smart Bus. Fifth, Universal Serial Bus. The correct answer is fifth, Universal Serial Bus. Next question, USB refers to: first, a storage device. Second, a processor. Third, a port type. Fourth, a serial bus standard. The correct answer is third, a port type. Next, which of the following are properties of USB? First, platform independent, second platform dependent, third source dependent, fourth software dependent, fifth software independent. The correct answer is first platform independent. Next question. Dash is used to connect audio and video multimedia devices like video camera. First firewire, second serial port, third parallel port, fourth USB. The correct answer is first firewire. Next, the dash format reduces an audio file to about 1/10 of its original size while preserving much of the original quality of the sound. First DOC, second PNG, third GIF, fourth MP3, fifth VMEG. The correct answer is fourth MP3. Next, peripheral peripheral devices such as printers and monitors are considered to be first hardware, second software, third data, fourth information, fifth source code. The correct answer is first hardware. Next, external devices such as printers, keyboards and modems are known as first add-on devices, second peripheral, third extra software devices, fourth PC expansion slot adds-ons, and fifth special buys. The correct answer is second peripherals. Next question. Dash can interpret voice data into words that can be understood by the computer. First speech input hardware, second speech recognition software, third word recognition software, fourth talking software, fifth other than those given as options. The correct answer is second speech recognition software. Next, dumb terminals have terminals and first mouse, second speakers, third keyboards, fourth mouse or speakers, fifth none of these. The correct answer is fourth mouse or speakers. Next, which one of the following inputs devices is user programmable? First dumb terminal, second smart terminal, third VDT, fourth intelligent terminal, fifth all of these. The correct answer is fourth intelligent terminal. Next, input devices are used to provide the steps and tasks the computer needs to process data, and these steps and tasks are called first program, second design, third information, fourth instructions, fifth flow chart. The correct answer is fourth instructions. That's all from my side. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें.